What's going on, guys? We got a 2025 Hyundai Tucson here, and today I'm going to show you how to get to your cabin air filter if you'd like to replace it. It's going to be back here behind your glove box, so we're going to need to lower it down, especially in this compartment right here. But we're going to lower this down to make this easier to get to. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper you have here. All we got to do is pull on it, it disconnects. Now you see there's a stopper here that stops the glove box from coming all the way down. What we got to do is pull it towards the center. Get it around here, kind of hold the glove box down. Same thing with this side. Okay, let's go back and forth a little bit. Then the whole glove box will come down like this. This right here is the door for the cabin filter. To get it off, squeeze these clips here, pull towards you, then pull this out like that. When we go to put this back, this little tab goes back in the left side like that, okay? Here's our cabin filter. Now notate, this is airflow down when you get your new filter. Now this car is pretty new, so it might need a filter, it might not. It's got a couple little leaves in it. Okay, I am going to recommend this to my customer that we get a new one because it does have some dirt in it, and leaves and things like that. So I'll be doing that here in a minute. But for the time being, we're just going to put this one back just in case they deny it. Slide your new one in here. Door goes back. Look that back there. All we got to do with the glove box is push it back up like that. Reconnect the damper, and you're all done. If you do it yourself, you can save some money. If you want that filter, check the description box below. I'll have one there for you. It takes you to Amazon where you can get one. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me and leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.